Hello, the secret poultry feed formula they don't want you to know at all. 80% cheaper. Hello, poultry farmers. Do you know big feed companies want you to keep spending too much money on buying their feed? Do you know that they don't want you to even know how to prepare your own poultry feed? Do you know that they are not even happy that you even start thinking of making your own feed at all? Do you know they want you to remain in dark, buying their feed on daily basis? Because if they allow you to know this secret I'm going to teach you in this particular video, if they allow you to know this particular formula I'm going to give you that is 80% cheaper, you will not be under their bondage any longer. They don't want you to know a secret feed formula that can cut your feed cost by 80%. Today, I will teach you how to make your own feed at home, save money, and still grow big, healthier, and strong birds, and still maximize your profit. In this video, I will teach you how to make cheap but powerful poultry feed. I want to teach you the right ingredients to use. I will help you also to know how to grow bigger, strong chickens without wasting money again. So most farmers spend too much on feed. They can make feed at home with local ingredients at a very cheap rate. This formula I'm going to give you in this particular video is cheaper and better than any market feed at all. Birds will grow well with this particular feed mix. Natural boosters make birds healthier than synthetic. All this you need to learn in this particular video if you can watch till the end without skipping any of the tracks. Why farmers waste money on feed? Many farmers only buy expensive feed because they think it is the best. The name of the company does not matter. The acronym they use for the feed does not matter at all. Best animal feed does not matter. The name of the company has nothing to do with the quality of the feed. The farmers only buy expensive feed, as I said, because they think it is the best. No. But if you ask some farmers which poultry feed are you using, they'll call one name of a company like that. This is a feed upon using this feed still and getting this poor result. It is not the feed that gives you results. There are a lot of things that add up for you to get a very good result in your poultry farming, most especially if you are into broiler farming. But the truth is that you can mix feed yourself and get better results for less money. Secret poultry feed formula, 80% cheaper. Use these simple ingredients to make your own feed. 1. Please, if you have pen, copy out all these things, all this formula out. 1. Maize 50% or 50 kg. If you're making 100 kg feed, 50 kg, it gives enough energy. Soya bean meal 20%, builds strong muscles. Groundnut cake 10% or 10 kg, adds protein. Fish meal 5%, helps birds grow fast. Bone meal 5%, makes bones strong. And good quality eggs. Wheat offal 7%, give extra fiber. Fiber helps in digestion and gut health. Salt and premix 3%, it gives enough vitamins and minerals. How to mix it? Please crush and grind all the ingredients, as you can see in this particular, the way we grind it here. During mixing, you need to add all the additives, either organic additives or supplementary additives or synthetic additives. Add all first and all the vitamins and premix before you start mixing them. You can use either electronic mixer or you can use manual mixer. Put everything in a bowl, big bath, and turn them, mix them thoroughly. Let all the ingredients be mixed properly. As you see it in this particular bowl here, we are mixing it with ordinary hand. You use your hand to mix them together, depending on the quantity of feed you are making. If it's for large stock, you need to use the either horizontal or vertical mixer and do that. Crush and grind all the ingredients. If you have grinding machine, use it. If you have crushing machine, use it. Any of these, even the local machine they use in grinding corn and pepper in the markets, you know all this that has I pass my neighbor as the powerhouse, you can use it. After crushing all the ingredients, mix them well with a big container. Or if you have a mixer, industrial mixer, use industrial mixer to mix it. Industrial mixer mix everything automatically and everything in uniform. Store in a dry place to keep it fresh. Feed their birds and watch them grow fast. Add natural boosters to make it strong. Natural boosters like all these black pepper, African black pepper, nutmegs, all these things they are good spices that spice up the feed, and they are natural plants and natural feed boosters also. Then use papaya leaves, aloe vera aloe vera juice, garlic and ginger, moringa leaves. Add them. The papaya leaves helps in digestion. Aloe vera juice stops infections and boosts immunity. Ginger and garlic fight sicknesses. Moringa leaves add extra vitamins to your feed. Then, are you spending too much on feed right now? Do you use local ingredients in your feed? Are your birds growing big and healthier? Please, I need all these questions to be answered on the comment section. Let me know on the comment section. All these questions I ask you now. Please let me know on the comment section. And if you find this video very interesting, it is the right time for you to give it a thumb up, like, share, and comment. Because many farmers waste money on feed because they don't know this secret formula. Instead of buying expensive feed mix, use your own ingredients and mix them in your farm with cheap local ingredients and natural boosters. As I mentioned now, papaya leaves, aloe vera, nutmeg, ginger, garlic, scent leaf, moringa, bitter leaf, and rest of them. Even banana and plantain stems, banana and plantain flowers, all these are good. All these local ingredients and natural boosters will help you to grow the immunity of your poultry birds, and at the same time, the growth and weight within a short period of time. Your birds will grow faster, stay healthier, and you save enough money. Please subscribe for more poultry farming tips and secrets. In this particular channel, we teach everything concerning poultry, feathered birds, called it turkey, local chicken, broilers, noilers, broilers, duck, guinea fowl, geese, and rest of them. We also teach you four-legged animals like cow, sheep, cattle, rabbit, goat, and rest of them. Everything concerning poultry, we teach them in these particular two channels. Make sure you subscribe to both channels, please, because we post our videos on daily basis in these two channels, and we don't post the same video. Any video we post in the particular channel will not be posted in the other channel. So that's why it's always good for you to subscribe to both channels so that you get up-to-date notification once the video is uploaded in that particular channel. Please, for now, till the next video is loaded, don't go far. Share this video to reach more farmers. Share it to your platforms or your social media handles. Share it to your own profile so that anytime you need this video, you can go back and visit and watch it again. That's the reason for sharing videos. And as you share the video, you get the video in your own profile. Anytime you need this video, you watch it back. And make sure you tell somebody about this particular channel. Grow our channel together with us by joining our channel membership. Thank you for watching. And if you have not purchased this our Eco Bio Booster, this is the right time for you to do that. Buy this Eco Bio Booster if you're a broiler or layers farmer. Any poultry bird uses this. You can see even rabbit, broiler, and turkey, all of them uses this. Pig also use it. This is an organic tea for your poultry and livestock animals. It serves as food and it serves as medication. It boosts their immunity and at the same time boosts their growth and weight. Thank you for watching. Bye.